Good morning. I figured it was time I showed you my van setup. So this is the cooler. The bed platform actually rests on this cooler, and the water jug over there, and all of this is bungeed to this shelf that I made so that it doesn't move around while driving. During my build, my priorities were simplicity and ease of transformation. So I'm going to film myself and see how long it takes to transform the bed. And this is how the trifold folds out. And there's the bed. It is a full, it's 4 inches thick, and it's quite comfortable. So down here, there's a folding leg, and cooler is sitting on top. This is how the bed platform is secured, with these turnbuckles down to the tie downs. These are 2x6s just into the plywood with wood glue for lightweight and to maximize storage. In here, I keep wooden blocks to level out the van, a tire inflator, some tools, and a jump pack. That is the 2x4 that the other platform rests on, and it is bolted into this frame so that it can slide out this way when I'd like to take the whole platform out. And then there is also a turnbuckle on this side. This is the shelf that I made. It's got garbage bags, coffee pot, room for toiletries, and supplies to make coffee. I have a single burner that works with the Coleman green cans. I can make coffee in here. It's nice to have access to these things in here because if it's cold, like at the ski resort, you don't always want to get out of the van before you've had coffee. It is a little tight in here. I can't quite sit up fully. So this is a bunch of storage under here. I usually just throw my snowboard gear or clothes, and that bin back there holds all of the window shades for all of the windows. There are 8 windows in this van. You can see all along the back here, there are fairy lights strung up, and there's a light back there. Usually we sleep with our heads on that side, and so we'll have water, phone charger, and I can even clip fans to the seatbelt mounts up there if we need. Thanks for watching. It's been my very simple van tour.